So there's been some great news for the channel, and by extension, dear viewer, some great news for you. Now, right before I went to Scale Model World, the good people at Gaahleri reached out to me and gave me a chance, or offered me the chance to become an affiliate member. Now, because I'm a big fan of Gaahleri products, I did say yes. So what does that mean for this channel? Well, there is now an affiliate link in the descriptions in my videos to Gaahlerie's website, and full transparency, if you do use that and buy something, I will get a little bit of commission from the sale. Right, with that said, it's on to the good stuff. As you'll have seen from the screen, all the time this has been, I've been talking, Gaahleri are having a Black Friday Cyber Monday sale with a nice big fat discount. Not only that, I, touch wood, I'm going to put a code in for you in the description that will give you another 10% discount on top of that when you use my affiliate link to go to Gaahlerie's site. So let's have a look at the two Gaahleri airbrushes I already own. Bought these with my own money way before this affiliate link became a thing, and because I genuinely believe they are a good product and great value for money. First up is the GAD 39, and normally retails at $45.99 with the 35% off in the Black Friday sale, which brings it down to $29.99, plus my 10%, which should bring it out somewhere about £27. Now, this is Gaahlerie's entry-level airbrush, but in my opinion, it's good enough to do almost any airbrushing task you ask of it. If you've seen me using an airbrush in my videos for the past year and a bit, you've seen me using the GAD 39. Next up, the Mobius 0.2, which normally retails for $76.99, with 16% off here is $64.99, plus a 10% from my code will get you a price of $58.49, which I do believe is what I paid for the one I own, because I did use another affiliate link and code last time there was a sale on, and I bought one for myself. So this bit higher end airbrush, I have used it on the Halifax. I used it for some marbling, and I intend to use it for Luftwaffe models, Italian World War II schemes, anything like that that's really intricate, really needs maybe a better level of airbrush just to get that effect. It's not just these two fine Gaahleri products that are discounted, pretty much everything is. So please use my link, please use my code, go and grab yourself a nice bargain on a really good piece of kit, and you're very welcome. Happy modelling!